Hi guys, you're welcome back to Digital Solution, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you two different ways to downloading premium PLR products for absolutely free. Now, what are private label right products? Private label right products refer to digital or physical products that are created by one party and sold to another party, allowing them to rebrand, modify, and sell the products as their own. PLR products can take various forms. They could include ebooks, articles, stock videos, audio recording, softwares, graphics, templates, and a whole lot more. In all, it is important for buyers to exercise caution when they use PLR products. While they can actually serve as a foundation, it is crucial to modify the content to add personal touches and ensure uniqueness. Additionally, checking the licensing terms and understanding any restriction is essential to avoid legal issues or copyright infringements when using PLR products. In this video, I'm going to be talking about two platforms that allow you to get over 12,000 premium PLR products for virtually free. If you're ready, let's get into it. This particular platform is called Deal PLR, and this is a platform that allows you to get instant access to the largest database of private label right products with never-ending supplies of private label rights products and as well as master resale rights products. These PLR products actually range from articles, audios, ebooks. You have graphics, you have WordPress plugins and themes, you have scripts, you have softwares and templates and basically videos. Some of them are stock videos. Like, one of the perks about this great website that distinguishes it from other websites is the fact that for only $1 you'll be given access to a wide array of over 10,000 plus products, and you can begin downloading them on the go just by payment of a measly $1 for a full month. So if you're able to pay $1, you'll be able to download all of their 10,000 plus premium products for actually free. Just like we have said initially, these are some of their latest products. Some of them are ebooks, some of them are videos. You have WordPress themes and WordPress plugins. So the next best thing about this particular website is the fact that it offers its subscribers a free hosting. So once you subscribe with $1 on this particular platform, you have access to a free hosting package for a full month of subscription. This free hosting grants you the access to 10 gigabytes of web space or limited bandwidth. You'll be able to host one domain on the free hosting that comes with the package, your access to a Plesk panel, your WordPress toolkit, and for extra security, you have free SSL, which in other hosting platforms, you have to pay for it privately. And if you are not comfortable with this free hosting, you might move to the premium hosting, which is just at $5.99 monthly. And at $5.99, you have access to unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth. You can host unlimited domains. This is a very attractive offer. I think this is a great offer for anyone who is actually on budget. It's actually what I call a 2-in-1 offer, as it allows you access to 10,000 plus premium PLR products, and you're able to also host a full WordPress website for $1. I haven't come across such a great offer like this anywhere on the internet before, but if there's any other offer like this, you can let me know in the comment section. Maybe probably I'll just want to take time to explore that, but I have never seen any offer like this. So in order to claim your hosting account, you have to open a support ticket and you provide your best Deal PLR username so that they will verify that you're a current best Deal PLR member. You also put down your desired username for your Plex access, and then you supply the domain name which you have registered. It is worthy of note at this point that this platform does not offer domain registration service. Now, if you want to host a website using either the free hosting or the premium hosting, that simply means you have to bring your domain which you have registered in another domain registration service, anyone like GoDaddy or Namecheap or any other one, and then you just update your name service. Your website is going to go live. So in order to register on this platform, so you just have to use the link in the description. I have a link to this page directly in the description of this video, so it will bring you to this website straight, and then you just click on become a member. Once you click on the become a member button, it takes you to the membership checkout. At the membership checkout, the join code is going to be applied, and then you have to pay the price of $1 for a month, which will renew at $10.99. Apart from that, you have to supply your username as part of KYC procedures. You supply a password then your first and the last name, your email address, and then you choose your payment processor. Now you can either pay the $1 either by the use of your Stripe, the use of PayPal, the use of your credit card, and then you agree to terms and conditions, and then you submit. This is actually a very great offer, like we have said, for anybody who is on budget. You can make use of this service. If you're someone who has made use of this service, you can let me know what you feel about them in the comments section. It is worthy of note that at the expiration of your $1 trial, you have the option to cancel your free trial without any obligation before you are charged for the next month, and you will still keep all the products you have downloaded during the trial for your personal use. So let's move on to the next platform, which is also a very good platform. What makes Resell Weekly truly exceptional is the incredible value it offers. For just $1, you can sign up and get a taste of the Gold Members area, which grants you access to an entire week of unlimited downloads. All these premium products can be yours to explore and utilize for an entire week. During this 1-week trial, you'll have the chance to see firsthand the remarkable selection available to Gold members. This includes the Gold Mine, the PLR/RR Vault, where you have all the gold products of over 15 years available for download, the online university that teaches you how to make massive money from PLR products, the Profit Maker site, and a host of other unbelievable offers. Just imagine having exclusive rights to products that you can sell, rebrand, or use as valuable lead magnets. Resell Weekly provides you with the freedom to customize, repackage, and sell this product as your own, enabling you to maximize your profit while saving precious time and effort. Now you may be wondering, what happens after the free trial ends? Well, Resell Weekly offers a gold membership option, which is billed at $19.95, and it allows you to continue to enjoy access to an ever-expanding library of high-quality products ready to fuel your online business. On the other hand, if you choose not to renew or cancel your subscription before the end of your trial period, trust me, all the premium products downloaded are yours to keep, no questions asked. To begin your Resell Rights journey, all you have to do is go to the new member registration page through the link available in the description of this particular video. Once you get to this exact page, you choose your membership type as a free membership. Then you put in your names, your emails, you choose a user and then a password. Then click on the submit button and head over to the email inbox for the account activation link. Right there in the welcome email, there will be the link to subscribe for the $1 free trial offer and another link to the free members dashboard. You can subscribe directly to the $1 offer through the link in the email received or directly from inside the backend of the free members areas using your PayPal account. This offer is only for 1 week, and do not forget to cancel your subscription if you do not intend to renew your subscription. In the Gold members area are a lot of premium products which you can have access to once you register and subscribe on this platform. All of these products can be used to make blog posts, YouTube video scripts, email autoresponder sequences, lead magnets, and a host of other uses that suit whatever niche you are in. You also have the PLR/RR Vault, which is a compendium of many years premium products. This will not be available to free members except those that subscribe to the $1 offer. You have products that date back to 2007 and beyond. This can still offer immense value for whatever purpose you wish to use them for. We also have the Gold Mine that contains high-definition stock videos, background videos, and VFX. These are extremely useful for video creators and YouTube creators for creating motion effects, video scenes, and backgrounds. Imagine if you had to subscribe to premium stock photo platforms, but here they are only for a measly $1. The choice is all yours, guys. The link to these two platforms is made available in the description of this video. I am sure it will be of immense help in your affiliate marketing endeavor. Thanks for watching to this point. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting content, like this video, and hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what's your view on these two great PLR platforms.